Hello dear students. In today's class I teach you very simple and interesting topic named break and continue statements available in Python. Definitely you may find this question in VTU main examination. I will show you the previous question papers. See here. Here one question is there. Which syntax explain the finite and infinite loops? Already I taught you. Finite means there will be an end for repetitive process. Infinite means there is no end for the repetitive process. That is what we studied with example also. And they are asking you what is the need for break and continue statements. This is what I teach you today for 8 marks. In the next class I teach you this answer. Write a Python program to generate and print prime numbers between 2 to 50. This one we discuss in the next class. Then I start the next topic, that is strings. On strings also we find many questions in examination. Then I teach you file. See here, there is a question on file also. Okay, no problem at all. Now we discuss about break and continue. Then this topic is very simple one, break and continue. This topic is very simple one, already you learnt in C language also. The same topic is there here also. No problem, I repeat for you this topic. Those who have remembered break and continue from C language, you can write everything same but with the syntax of Python. That's all. Anyhow I am repeating for you, don't worry. Break and jump statements. The break and continue are jump statements. First point, break and continue are jump statements. These are only used in while and for. This one you have to remember. Break is also used in while, continue is also used in while. Not only in while, these are used in for also. This is one point. I told you 2 points. These are jump statements, these are used in while and for. Next I teach you why do we use. First we discuss about the break. For our vehicle also break will be there. We use the brakes, no? Why? To stop our vehicle. Whether do you use the brake continuously? No. As and when required we use the brakes of our vehicle. Otherwise wheels rotates. Yes or no? That wheels are rotating means repetitive process is going on. If someone comes in front of the vehicle, then we use the brake to stop the repetitive process. That is what all about the brake here also. The brake helps to stop or terminate the repetitive process of while or do while based on certain condition. As we know already, while also repeats, for also repeats. Sometimes we want to stop in between only suddenly based on certain conditions, and is possible by break. First see the syntax. This is what the syntax of while. While we write, then condition we give, statements to be repeat. Here if and condition colon break. Whenever this condition becomes true, break takes place. Suddenly we come out from the while. That is what all about the break. Usually we use the break with if condition. I hope you have understood. See here, one more syntax I have written because in exam they ask you syntax. And this is the syntax of for we studied in the last class. For, variable, in, range, starting value, end value, step value, colon, statements to be repeat, then remaining statements. But if and condition and break. Whenever the condition becomes true, break takes place. This is what the syntax for break inside the while as well as inside the for. I hope you have understood. Very good. I give some examples, very simple examples. See here, whenever the I becomes 5, break takes place. Whenever I will be 5, then break takes place. Very simple program. First I will be 1. 1 less than equals to 10? Yes. 1 is printed. Whether I is 5? No. I becomes 2. 2 less than equals to 10? Yes, 2 will be printed. I is not 5. 3. 3 less than equals to 10? Yes. 4. Yes. 5. Yes. 5 will be printed. I is 5. Break takes place. Whenever I becomes 5, break takes place. Then what is the output of this code? Whenever I becomes 5, we exit from the file. Thank you. Instead of printing 1 to 10, now this code has printed only 1 to 5 because break has been used. These are all just examples. You are all mechanical engineering students. While solving real-time problems, you only think in which situation you need to use it. I hope you are getting and following me. Please students, listen to me. Okay, thank you. All of you are very intelligent and you are sincere. You are replying to my messages. I am very much happier. Thank you. Now, I hope you understood. Very good. See the next example. In for I am using. For I in range, first value is 1, end value is 11. Addition of 1 every time. Means it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 will be printed. Whenever I becomes 7, break takes place. What is the output? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all. I hope you have understood. In exam, what you need to do? You need to explain what is break, write the syntax, then give 2 examples minimum. One is inside the while, one more is inside the for. I hope you have understood. Yes, you have understood. Next, the continue. What is the use of continue? You know it, you remembered. It is also jump statement. Yeah, it is true. It is also used in while and for. Yeah, it is true. But it will not stop the repetitive process. It will skip. It will not execute certain statements from the body of loop. It will skip. See here syntax, while, condition, statements. If condition is true, continue works. In the place of break, I have written continue. Means what happens, do you know? If the condition is true, it repeats. Whenever this condition becomes true, continue works. At that time, the below statements are not going to work. These are going to skip. These will not work. At what time these will not work? Whenever the continue works. This works, condition is false, remaining works. Sorry, I explain it slowly. Means while repeats these instructions, while completes successfully. Whenever the condition will be true, continue works. Continue works means execution comes above. Execution comes above. Execution comes above means below statements will not work. Whenever this condition is true, these are not going to work. But the while completes successfully. Whereas if you use break, no, that while will not complete. While stops. But here continues. While continues. But whenever the condition becomes true, below statements are not going to work. That means it will skip. I hope you have understood. See here, in the for variable, in range, start value, end value, step value, statements. Anyhow for works. Whenever the condition becomes true, continue works. It means continue means it will come above. Below will not work. These are not going to work. Means these are going to skip. In my notes I have written very clearly. I have drawn the arrows also. You can see afterwards. I hope you understood. See the examples. You will come to know. Very good. See here. First time I is 0. Sorry, I will make it as 1. First time I is 1. 1 less than equals to 10. Yes. Sorry, 0 is correct. Purposely I made. I is 0. 0 less than equals to 10. Yes. 0 plus 1. 1. Whether I is 5. No. 1 is printed. 2, 3, 4. Whenever I becomes 5, continue works. Whenever 1 is printed, 2 is printed, 3 is printed, 4 is printed, 5 is not printed. Why? Because we are printing I after this if. First time I is 1. I is 5. No. 1 will be printed. 2 prints. 3 prints. 4 prints. 5. I is 5. Continue. Continue means it comes above. I becomes 6. That means 5 is not printed. I becomes 6. Then I is 5. No, 6. 6 prints. 7 prints. 8 prints. 9 prints. 10. Note what happened. 5 is not printed. Sometimes you have to skip like this while developing softwares, while solving real-time problems. In mechanical engines also you take. Sometimes some components will not execute. Like that you have to think and you have to create the model. Then you are a real mechanical engineering student. All of you think and practically do it. Amazing things you can do in your lifetime. But we are not ready to think like that. We are not ready to practice like that. That is the problem with us, including me. Always we need to be inspired. First you need to be inspired so that you can inspire others. Read spiritual books and inspiring books. You'll get the inspiration. Sorry, out of syllabus. This is not out of syllabus. Outcome based education. I'll come back. See the second example. For I in range 1 to 11, addition of 1. Whenever I will be 5 or logical or has been used. Whenever I will be 7, then continue will work. that means 5 is not going to print, 7 is not going to print. Other all the values are going to print. Thank you. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is not printed. Whenever I becomes 5, continue works. 5 is not printed. 6 prints. 7, no, continue has been used. 8, 9, 10. This is what all about break and continue. I hope you have understood. Very simple. Break will I repeat slowly for you. Break and continue are used in loop. Break helps us to stop the repetitive process of while and do while. Continue will skip certain statements from the body of while and for. This is what the major difference between break and continue. Write the syntax for both. Give the examples for both. If you do so, you get very good marks in examination. Have a nice day. Take care. Be alert. Stay at home and help parents and read inspiring books and be ready for next examination. Read for knowledge, not to get marks. I hope you have understood. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Send me the replies.